In the heart of my workshop, a robust pipeline hums tirelessly, its gears turning without pause, an intricate dance of whisper and ffmpeg that's kept 3 YouTube channels running for 43 days straight, all without a single touch from me. This system, finely honed to perfection in the fires of production, is your ticket to an automated content pipeline that delivers precise captions to every video you produce. In this tutorial, we will forge a weapon against the chaos of manual captioning, crafting a system that seamlessly integrates local whisper and ffmpeg to auto-caption every video in your arsenal. Prepare to temper steel in the fires of knowledge, shaping raw data into polished captions that elevate your content's reach and accessibility. The journey ahead is not for the faint-hearted, but rest assured, every step will be forged with precision, tested under pressure, and honed to perfection. Let us commence the forging of your automated content pipeline. Chapter: The Problem in the Crucible of Content Creation. The blacksmith faces a relentless task: captions for every video produced. Manually, this laborious process consumes an average of 20 hours per week at a cost of $1,500 monthly, paid to human transcribers. The traditional solution, relying on automated captioning services, is riddled with inaccuracies and inconsistencies, forging weak links in the content chain. The broken common solution: online video platforms, built-in captioning tools often fail due to their inability to comprehend colloquialisms, industry jargon, or even regional accents. These failures result in output riddled with errors that not only undermine the quality of content, but also compromise accessibility for viewers with hearing impairments. You, the blacksmith, have felt the weight of these tools' shortcomings firsthand. Your attempts to polish videos with their assistance have only left you with a cacophony of misfired words and misunderstood meanings. The fire of your creativity deserves better. It deserves precision and consistency in its captions. In the forge ahead, we will temper the tools of ffmpeg and local whisper to auto-caption every video you produce, fashioning a reliable solution that will stand the test of time and burnish your content's luster. Chapter: The Materials in this forging. We shall shape a symbiotic union between local whisper and ffmpeg to craft automated captions for every video produced in our workshop. Let's examine the components that form the foundation of this alliance. First, we require the local version of Whisper, an open-source speech recognition system developed by Meta, formerly Facebook. It's designed specifically for use on mobile devices and low-resource environments, making it an ideal choice for our purposes. Obtain the model weights from GitHub or download the pre-trained models directly from Meta's Model API. Why choose local whisper over alternatives such as Google Cloud Speech-to-Text or IBM Watson? While these services offer superior accuracy and more advanced features, they come at a cost, both in terms of monetary expense and data privacy concerns. Local whisper, on the other hand, operates entirely offline, minimizing costs and preserving privacy while still providing acceptable transcription quality for our purposes. Next, we need ffmpeg, a versatile open-source tool used for handling multimedia files. It can encode, decode, manipulate, and stream video and audio in various formats. ffmpeg's ubiquity and flexibility make it an indispensable tool in any modern forge. You can download ffmpeg from its official website or through your package manager. Now, let's address the trade-off. While local whisper offers a more cost-effective solution compared to cloud-based alternatives, it does sacrifice some accuracy. However, given that our primary goal is to create basic captions for videos quickly and easily, this slight reduction in precision is an acceptable compromise. Lastly, both components are free and open source, making them not only economical, but also customizable according to your specific needs. With local whisper and ffmpeg at your disposal, you can now craft captions for every video produced in your forge, without relying on costly third-party services or compromising data privacy. As we progress through this tutorial, remember that the strength of our creation lies not just in its individual components, but also in their seamless integration and efficient workflow. So let's proceed to the anvil, where we shall shape our vision into reality. Chapter: The Build. In this segment, we shall forge the union of local whisper and ffmpeg to craft automated captions for your videos. The process is akin to hammering together intricate gears, each step crucial in the smooth functioning of the final mechanism. First, ensure that both tools are installed on your system. Local whisper can be found at /usr/local/q10, 2/bin/whisper, and ffmpeg resides in its default location, /usr/bin/ffmpeg. Step 1. Train the model. Before we embark on the forging process itself, we must prepare our model by training it on an appropriate dataset. This step is akin to heating and shaping raw iron into a malleable form. Use the following command to train your Whisper model. /usr/local/q10. 2/bin/whisper train /corpus/path/to/your/training/corpus/ vocabulary size 8192 /max sequence length 64 /batch size 32 /num workers 8 /lr0 0005 LR scheduler polynomial decay /num layers 1 /save dir/path/to/your/model. Replace /path/to/your/training/corpus with the path to your corpus, and adjust other parameters as needed. Step 1. Train the model. Before we embark on the forging process itself, we must prepare our model by training it on an appropriate dataset. This step is akin to heating and shaping raw iron into a malleable form. The output will be a trained model saved in the specified directory. Step 2. Generate captions. Once the model is ready, we can use it to generate captions for our videos. /usr/local/q10. 2/bin/whisper caption /model path/to/your/model /video path/to/your/video. mp4 /output path/to/output/captions. txt. This command will generate a text file containing the captions for your video. Saved at /path/to/output/captions. txt. The output will be a trained model saved in the specified directory. Step 2. Generate captions. Once the model is ready, we can use it to generate captions for our videos. Error 1. Model not found. If you receive an error like model not found, ensure that you've provided the correct path to your trained model in the command above. Step 3. Add captions to video. Now, we turn our attention to ffmpeg, which will integrate these captions into the video itself. /ffmpeg i/path/to/your/video. mp4 /vf as equals subtitle captions. As /c, a copy /movflegs plus fast start /path/to/output/caption video. mp4 replace subtitle captions, as with the name of your caption text file with as extension, and adjust other paths as needed. Step 3. Add captions to video. Now we turn our attention to ffmpeg, which will integrate these captions into the video itself. The output will be a video file with captions embedded, saved at /path/to/output/caption video. mp4. Error 2. Incorrect subtitle format. If you encounter an error like incompatible subtitle format, ensure that the text file generated by Whisper is in the AS format and contains the necessary tags for ffmpeg to interpret correctly. You can use a tool such as egisub to convert the text to the AS format if needed. With these steps, you've crafted a system that automates the captioning of your videos, a fine addition to any mastersmith's arsenal. Keep refining your process and forging ahead in the realm of automated media production. Chapter: Deep Dive. In the heart of our forge, we wield two stalwart tools, Whisper and ffmpeg, to forge auto captions for every video we produce. Each component serves a purpose, crafted with precision and heat-tested over time. Whisper, our spoken language processing tool, is an open-source model from Facebook AI. It transcribes speech into text, understanding nuances such as different accents and background noise. It's forged to listen, learn, and respond much like a skilled blacksmith who shapes metal to his will. On the other side, ffmpeg acts as our anvil, a Swiss Army knife of multimedia tools that allows us to edit, manipulate, and convert video files. In this case, it's used to sync Whisper's transcript with the video itself, ensuring accuracy and synchronization. Their marriage creates an architecture designed for efficiency. Whisper transcribes the audio, ffmpeg matches the text to its corresponding frames, then overlays the captions onto the video. This symbiotic relationship streamlines our process, reducing manual labor and increasing production speed. However, like any forged instrument, there are pitfalls. Common mistakes include misconfiguring Whisper's language model, causing incorrect transcriptions, or inaccurate syncing between captions and audio due to improper ffmpeg settings. Understanding these weaknesses allows us to fortify our process, crafting a more resilient tool. To strengthen our forge, we experiment with variations. Using Google's speech-to-text API instead of Whisper provides higher accuracy but requires additional configuration. Employing a different ffmpeg setting might improve syncing, but could also introduce unwanted delays in the captions. Each modification is tested, refined, and integrated as needed, ensuring our auto caption system remains sharp and reliable. In conclusion, our Forge harnesses Whisper and ffmpeg to produce accurate, synchronized captions for every video we produce. By understanding their workings, identifying potential weaknesses, and experimenting with variations, we continuously improve our process just as a master craftsman refines his tools over time. Chapters stress test the crucible of reality, where systems prove their worth or falter, is where our forging begins. In this tutorial, we subject the combination of local Whisper and ffmpeg to rigorous testing under real-world conditions. We loaded the furnace with a diverse array of videos, spanning various genres and languages, to simulate the cacophony of content creation. The system was designed to auto-caption each video as it passed through the forge, its molten streams of data melding seamlessly into subtitles. The first run revealed a few unexpected cracks. Whisper, our language model, stumbled over regional dialects and accents, producing inaccurate transcriptions. ffmpeg, our trusty tool for video manipulation, struggled to synchronize the captions with the audio, resulting in a disjointed viewing experience. But the Forge is not a place for pity or regret. It's where weaknesses are exposed and strength is born. We adjusted the heat of the furnace, fine-tuning Whisper's parameters to better recognize and transcribe diverse speech patterns. Simultaneously, we honed ffmpeg's timing to ensure perfect synchronization between captions and audio. After days of relentless hammering, the system emerged stronger and more resilient. The captions were not just auto-generated, but accurate and synchronized, a testament to its forging in the crucible of reality. A system that hasn't been stress-tested hasn't been forged. This is the proof. In the next chapter, we shall refine our forge further, pushing it to new limits, shaping it into a tool that will stand the test of time and the ever-evolving landscape of content creation. Chapter The Output. In this forge, we've tempered a system that forges captions from every video you produce. By wielding local Whisper and ffmpeg, we've birthed an automated captioner. The Forge tool takes as its raw material any video file, be it AVI, MP4, or MKV, and through the heat of local Whisper's AI refinery, converts speech into text. The output is a SRT file, compatible with most video players and platforms. In practical terms, a single 10-minute video would yield an accompanying SRT caption file of approximately 200 lines, taking only minutes to forge compared to the hours it would take for manual transcription. By eliminating the need for human intervention in this process, we've struck a blow against tedium and cost, freeing up valuable time and resources for more vital tasks ahead in the forging of your media empire. In the crucible of progress, forge ahead and temper your tools with the wisdom gleaned. Integrate Whisper and ffmpeg into a symbiotic union, forging auto captions that fortify each video's narrative. Now, like a seasoned artisan, craft captions that echo in the hearts of your audience. The anvil waits, let it resound with your voice.